You are looking at the ninth wonder of the world. This is the Hoover Dam. You're looking at 17 generators, 9 on the Arizona side, 8 on the Nevada side. Each generator generates enough power for 65,000 homes. Not all 17 are on at once, but they can be. This is a modern marvel, built in 1930, started in 1931, finished in 1935. 96 people perished on the premises while building this in the last 5 years. The concrete was supposed to take 100 years to cure, but with innovation, ice, and cooling, it cured in 5 years. Modern marvel of the 20th century. Will stand here for another 3,000 years plus.